At MakerspaceCT, we respond to gaps in our education system through real-world engineering experience for Hartford youth. One of the ways we do this is through a program called NextWave. In NextWave, our students learn the design process from ideation to manifestation. They do this through a program called NX, a computer-aided design program, and 3D printing at MakerspaceCT's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility.
My name is John Doe LeBron and I go to Hartford Public High School. I've always liked problem solving. I've always been like the one in my household to like fix whatever has been broken, and this has really helped me explore that path. We were assigned to make something that would clip onto the bottom of these workbenches, and me and the other student had an idea to have something clip and like hang to put objects inside. This really showed me how to overcome my problems and to not stop because something went wrong. We were trying to make it so that the person didn't struggle, like this can be applied anywhere.
Students learn design skills, troubleshooting skills, they learn to work together in a team environment, and they learn the value of failure and iteration. They learn to develop a thick skin.
My name's Brittany Slower and I go to Hartford Public High School. Here at MakerspaceCT, we make models and we take real dimensions and then we print them out on 3D printers. 3D printers don't always work perfectly or how you want them to. Sometimes you don't have the right settings for that specific project, which can cause the project to mess up. We have learned how to go back and how to fix them, and we've watched videos on how to correctly fix certain problems so that they don't happen again. This is a base that I made on NX where we had to sketch out different bases on different datum planes, and then we connected them to make the curves. CAD is something that I've never done before, and it's something that I found very interesting.
It's fun, and it opens their minds to new opportunities in the engineering field and possible career paths in manufacturing and STEM.
My name is Xiao Li and I go to Hartford Public High School. Me and a fellow classmate worked on a design which would help all around the entire building with storage and tools. The process of designing was pretty extensive in the way that I had to take many measurements before I could come up with even a base to start with. It worked pretty well at first, and through that I figured out ways that I could personally improve it and shape it into a better product. Being able to do all of these things and learning it now in this opportunity was really helpful for me and thinking about the future and all of the future job opportunities that I might be taking.
In Connecticut, we need a technically skilled workforce. That need is right now. We are committed to engaging the youth and giving them that first critical step that will lead them on the path to a STEM career.